Okay, hello guys. Today I have a questions from IB Math AHLs. It is about polynomials. They did tell us about it, like p of x equal to 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus x and minus 1. Okay. For A, show that x plus 1 is the factors of p of x. And how to show these questions or find or to show or prove that. So actually p of x is the cubic, okay, it's the cubic functions, and x plus 1 is linear factors. So how could we prove that x plus 1 is the factor of p of x? So let me give you a formula, or I can just say it's like something that you must remember. So if x minus alpha or any number is factors, okay, is factors of what? Of p of x. Of p of x. So that means then p alpha equal to 0. That means if x minus alpha is factors of p of x, that means we, after plugging alpha into p of x, we got the answer as 0. Okay, so like this, for question A, they want us to show that x plus 1 is the factors of p of x. That means if you plug -1 in p of x, if the answer is 0, that means you can just consider x plus 1 is the factors of p of x. But if the answer is non-zero, that means you have no right to consider that x plus 1 is the factors of p of x. Okay, so let me give you solutions. So here we got p of x equal to 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus x and minus 1. Okay, so here, and then p of -1, it should be what? It should be 3 times -1 cubed plus 5 times -1 square plus -1 and minus 1. And then 3. So -1 cubed equal what? -1 cubed equal to -1 times -1 and times -1. So when -1 times -1 2 times, it's going to be 1. But it times with another -1, it's gonna be it's gonna be -1. So that means this is gonna be negative, which is causing 3 to be negative. And then plus 5, -1 squared equal to 1, right? Minus 1 and minus 1. So -3 plus 5 is gonna be 2, and this minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, here. So that means p of -1 equal to 0, right? So then we can just say x plus 1 is what? Is factors of p of x. Okay, that's it. That's it. What about another questions? They want us to express p of x as the products of 3 linear factors. How to what? To express p of x as the products of 3 linear factors. And what does it mean by that? So here I'm just want to explain you about this. Oh my god. I'm sorry. So here for B, oh sorry, this, we got the questions here. So they want us to express p of x as the products of 3 linear factors. What does it mean by that? Which means we must express p of x as x plus a times x plus b times x plus c. Okay, you understand? In this case, I think it kinda, it's like something, it should be like x plus a 3, or we can just say 3x plus b and x plus c, because you can see the coefficient of the x cube is 3, so that mean among all three linear factors it must be one factor that has 3 as the coefficient of the x. So, and let me tell you what is linear function. You might ever know about this like equation of line, right, or linear function, something like that. So ax plus b is the form of that, or we can just say general equation. So in this case, like I just want to tell you that the linear factors is like is like the factors which is standing as linear functions, which is ax plus b, x plus c, something like that. Do you understand? So this is what question need, which is writing p of x or something like this. And we already known that x plus 1 is one of them. Why? Because they already said x plus 1 is the factors of p of x, which mean p of x can be written as x plus 1 times other two factors. Okay, so I have already explained you what it is. So now I'm gonna solve it. Okay, so we don't need to say, we can just p of x equal what? Let p of x equal to x plus 1 like times ax squared, because here we need to find this, and then we factorize it, and then we're gonna get two factors as the products, or I'm sorry, we're gonna get two factors, and each factor is the linear factors. So we got p of x equal what? Like 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus x minus 1, right? And we can factorize it by 3x cubed. This we can split to 3x squared plus 2x squared. This gonna be plus 2x minus x and minus 1. Okay, so that means we can 3x as the common factors. It's gonna be x plus 1 plus 2x is gonna be x plus 1, and minus is gonna be x plus 1. So then we can see x plus 1 is the common factors. It's gonna be x plus 1 square 3x square plus 2x and minus 1. You might be wonder why I'm trying to like factorize and take x plus 1 as the common factors, because you know it's like x plus 1 is the factors of it. So when we trying to find, we must we must try to, like, you know, pave the road just to get x plus 1 as the common factors. And here it is, we got this. And the next step is to factorize this, and then after we factorize this quadratic factors, we're gonna get multiplication between two factors, which is all of them are linear factors. So this we can factorize. I think it should be, you know what, it should be what? It should be, wait a minute, minus 2 3x, okay, plus 1. Oh, I'm sorry, 3x minus 1 and x plus 1. Here gonna be x plus 1. So this is the last answer, which is p of x equal to x plus 1 times 3x minus 1 times x plus 1, something like that. So that is the answer. See, all of them are linear factors. For the next questions, they want us to express q, which is q equal to x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. They want us to express 1 over q into a over x plus 1 plus b over 2x plus 1. So in this case, we got c. Okay, we got q of x equal what? X plus 1 times 2x plus 1, right? Here. So they want us to write 1 over qx equal to a over x plus 1, right? Plus b over 2x plus 1 here. And they want us to find a and b. What is a and b? Oh, I think they want us to find a and b. No, maybe. But they want us to express 1 over qx equal to a over x plus 1 plus b over 2x plus 1, which is both a and b are number. So how? how could we, yeah, split like that? So actually, I think we can do like this. You know, cross products here, 2ax plus a plus bx plus b over x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. And for the left hand side, we got 1 over x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. So that means we can, you know, compare this side, which is here. This side, there's no x. There's no x here. So that means we can, you know, it's like this 2a and b, they're coefficient of x. But this no x. That means 2a and b must be, 2a plus b must be equal to 0. And also a plus b equal to 1. Yeah. So in this case, I think we can just say b equal to negative 2a, and this a minus 2a equal to 1. So a equal to negative 1 and b equal to 2. So that means 1 over what? 1. I'm sorry, here. Right, then 1 over x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 equal what? Negative 1 over x plus 1 plus 2 over 2x plus 1. Here is the answer. That's it. So for the next question, D, show that 1 over x plus 1 qx equals something like that. How could we show that? I think the method that we could use is, I'm sorry, I am cropping this all. Copy. Okay, and paste. So how to solve these questions? We know that qx equal what? Equal to x plus 1 times 2x plus 1, right? So how can we show this equal to this? I think the best way that we could show is just, you know, it's like solve this, okay, calculate this, and then if getting like this, okay, it's correct. Okay, so I think it's 4 over 2x plus 1. This fraction, it's supposed to be 4x plus 1 square minus 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. You might be wonder how or why. Because in this case, the fraction, we are 10. We are 10 to find the common denominator. So that means the common denominator, it should be x plus 1 square times 2x plus 1. And then this fraction, it has to time with x plus 1 square. That is why this become 4x plus 1 square. But this has to time with x plus 1 and to become x plus 1 square, and also time with 2x plus 1. That is why time with this. Okay, and minus 2x plus 1, because 1 times 2x plus 1 is still 2x plus 1 over what? Over x plus 1 square times 2x plus 1. Okay, and then what's next? Calculate that. So I think it's really long. It's kind of long, you know. So it's gonna be 4 is 2. I think we should x plus 1 as the common factors. It might be easy to calculate 4x plus 1. this is going to be minus 4x and minus 2, because when we keep this, it has only negative 2 times 2x plus 1, and then we expand negative 2 with 2x plus 1, it's going to be negative 4x minus 2, and close to x plus 1 here over x plus 1, I think qx. So it's going to be what next? X plus 1. What about this here? Negative 1. I think it should be negative here. Minus 2x plus 1. I think it's supposed... Wait a minute. It's supposed to be 4. It's supposed to be 4. Two times 2x, negative 2, negative 4x. 4x plus 1 plus 4. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my bad. So that means x plus 1 times 2 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so this case, x plus 1 qx. So then you're going to be 2x plus 2 minus 2x. I think it's supposed to be minus here. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 over x plus 1 qx. So it's gonna be 1 over x plus 1 qx. True. That's it. Here, yeah. What about E? What about next questions? For next question, hence here. Okay, hence they want us to find integrations and how. So in this case, finding integration is kind of long, you know, but we can use this because this here, it x plus 1, right, times x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. That means this is qx. So that means 1 over x plus 1 times qx equal to this. We can replace this by this. Okay. So this is gonna be I think it should be integration 4 over 2x plus 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 and minus 1 over x plus 1 square dx. Okay, let me tell you, for these both, it's gonna be ln logarithm base e, but this, no, it's gonna be something else. So here, this, I think integration, you should remember one thing: integration of 1 over ax plus b dx equal what? Equal to 1 over a ln ax plus b plus c. So this is supposed, because it's 4 we can replace here also, or we can just say 4 you're gonna be 4 here, same thing. So it's gonna be 4 divided by 2 because a is 2, so the answer is 2 ln 2x plus 1 minus 2 ln x plus 1. What about this? I think integration of 1 over x squared, we can like solve separately. It's like x plus 1 square dx. Okay, so this we can you know, it's like you can do on scratch paper or solve in scratch paper. It's gonna be integration x plus 1 to the power negative 2 dx. So the answer is gonna be what? We can do, you know, like chain rule and stuff. But I think doing chain rule is gonna take you a long time. You just, using shortcut. Like if integration of u to the power of n dx, dx, because this mean ux here, and which mean if u is linear, like x plus 1, so that means it's gonna be u n plus 1 over n plus 1 and plus c. So this n equal to -2. The answer is gonna be x plus 1, -1 over -1 and plus c. But -1 here, we should swap at the bottom to, from the top to the bottom. So it's gonna be -1 over x plus 1 and plus c. Okay, so the answer is gonna be 2 ln 2x plus 1 minus 2 ln x plus 1 and minus, this is supposed to be minus, and minus gonna be plus 1 over x plus 1 and plus c. Okay, that's it. For the next questions, consider the function defined by f of x. Limit, okay, limit, my old friends. Here, we can also rewrite f of x equal to x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 square times 3x plus 1, right? And this is going to be x plus 1 square times 2x plus 1 here, because qx equal x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. So yeah, so for first one, limit, we execute it, so that means the f of x equal to 3x plus 1 over 2x plus 1, right? And limit x approach to -1 of f of x. I think you better to use L'Hopital rule, because in IB they don't really care. They don't really care what you're doing. But before doing applying the L'Hopital rule, you should plug. If it giving us the indeterminate form, like 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, infinity minus infinity, we should use L'Hopital rule. But this I don't think it will, because if we plug -1 into it here, it's gonna be 3x plus 1 over 2x minus 1 plus 1, and 3 times -1 is gonna be -3 plus 1 is gonna be -2. This is gonna be -1, so it's gonna be 2. The answer is 2. About number 2, you can use L'Hopital rule, because if you plug infinity in it, it's gonna give you the infinity over infinity, which is indeterminate form. And I think 3x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. If you derive top and the bottom, because L'Hopital rule, you're gonna get 3 over 2. So the answer for the second one is done. Thank you for watching, and see you next videos. You might be wondering, I'm using L'Hopital rule. Remember that IB question giving you only 3 marks for 2 questions. Remember that trick. Okay, IB. Thank you for watching. Bye.